So hello guys, welcome back again with another video, and in this video I'm going to share you my strategy that how I use for trading and meme coin. Basically which of my filters. I'm going to reveal everything to you guys, and on my second account on Axiom.pro. If you don't know or do not familiar about the Axiom Pro, you just need to go on the description and use my link to get up to 30% off on fees rebate. In the previous video, there was a reward of 6 soul giveaway, but it's finished now. But if you still interested in to get fees rebate, you can use my link as well. So in the further collaboration, if we start the giveaway, so you can receive the reward also. So yeah, let's start the video. So this is the Axiom Pro, guys. So basically I'm going to show you the my strategy, my things, and first of all we have the discover tab. And in the discover tab, let me just this notification is so annoying, guys, so that's why it's pop up here. So basically they are fucking the traders insider, so that's why. So yeah, this is the discover tab, and I am using the simple filters like radium, dex paid, and 1 million volume and 300,000 market cap. The reason is simple, and I'm using 24-hour time frame. Let me just close it. 24-hour time frame, and everything is simple. And when you just use the 24-hour, just click on the volume, so it will show you like this. So it will basically show you the trend reversal itself. So basically if you just see this point, so we need to use some indicators as well, basically the trend reversal. So basically the price was going up, then the trend reversal happened. So I'm going to show you or demonstrate to guys some things. Let me just show you. Oh my god, guys, these insiders are so crazy, bro. Like, to be honest with you, I'm so sometimes I just very annoyed. So I am using simple RSI and MACD. Sometime I use some MACD. So this is the the when the crosses happen, the RSI below 30. So 15, I just going in and if some coin. So at the end the choice is your the volume. I also look up the volume, and if you just see the 5-minute frame, so you can just see what's happening right now. So it's still in the downtrend. So if you don't know how to short the meme coin, I have already made the video on my channel, so you can just short it out. So basically what's my strategy, I just look at the 4-hour chart and see what's happening. So right now we are in the triangular structure pattern. The trend was start from here and just go here. So I think they are forming the head and shoulder pattern as well. So something like that, and then we can just show some breakout like this one, and this one. So if this happened, or the breakout structure, then we have start the new altcoin rally as well. But right now at the moment this thing is very confusing. So how I just used to trade is very simple. I just use horizontal ray and just s- you know just fuck this. I just use some horizontal line and just place it right here. Sorry, my English is not so good, so that's why sometimes I just use communication error. So you think like I'm confused, but I don't confuse at the all time, but I'm just explaining you and demonstrating you how the thing is actually work. So basically we when we see the price is coming down on the 52 million or 505 million, so we're going to take the entry as well. And if the price go back, so lot of you new traders, what they just do is they just do some stupid mistake. Let me just show you as well. So where's that marker, and I'm going to show you. So they take the entry right here. So when the price come, it is suddenly drop, and they say like they have just got liquidated. But the idea is how you just trade is when the price go up, come down, and the price just do some reversal, you take entry over here. So you can just easily 2x or simply just 3x your money as well. So this is the thing that I'm just showing you to demonstrate you guys, so you can get the clear understanding as well. So yeah. So this is how you clean the thing. This is your simple trading view filters. the instruments and the tools as well. And this is the dev holding and the stuffs. I have already made the video on this one as well, how you can use it. And this is the holders. The holders are crazy, and the top trader is Cake91. I have already, and the cooker, and these are the top traders that I am following. And the dev holding is 24% migrated, and this they have non migrated 289. So you can see how many tokens they have made, TTPP, scammy, and stuffs like that. So this is the simple filters. And if you go to trending one, you can also find the coin here and the trending one. But the thing is very simple. We are using the filter. So this is you can play with the volume as well. So right now you can use this one as an example. For example, we can use this one as an example. So to see, you can see that many traders have just take the entry point. So I think this is a good buy. Like, to be honest with you, when the price just touched the 12 EMA or 26 EMA, you can say. So we can just see the reversal maybe. So one strategy is this, and now I'm going to show you the meme coin strategy that I use. This is the pulse section where the magic happened, and this is your new pair section where the new coins have just made, and these filter I am using. So you can just use my filter as well. Pump 3 to 25 minutes, have holding 16%, insiders 20%, holders 7, pro trader 2, and 7,000 volume, 5,000. You can use it like 5.1k as well, but the choice is yours. Sometimes it just depend on the Solana price basically, and the volume, and how the market is going. So what is this? So basically, in the new pair, the dev launched the coin, and it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So many of these coins just got failed from here, and many of them go to 2, 3, 4k and just got rugged. So that 5k I have tested the best one of the market cap on the new pair. The reason is very simple. You can just take entry on 6k as well if the coin go up to 10k, 14k. So you can just easily make your $25 into $50 in seconds. So this is the thing that nobody will show you as well. So you can just take and play around with this. So basically, so basically you can play around with that as well. So yeah, so this is the some coins we can. I'm going to show you guys. Like the 5 minute ago, we are seeing this coin, and let me just switch to 1 second. So right now there is no volume as well, and then no dev sold and nothing. So I'm just going to stay away from that thing, and let's see another one if we just get. So right now the market is not so much good. This is the the dev have sold, the price go up. So if you just take the entry here at the 6k or 5k and just go up to 12k or 13k, you can make money as well. So right now this is the final stretch filters that I am using, the 35% top 10 holders. Sorry, the so basically the age is 40, the 35 is top 10 holders, and you can just play around with the 35 here, and so 35 inside the 30 and the bundle 30, and you can just play around with that as well. You can find some very good coin at in this thing. So so this one, if we just click on this one as well, so this one is bundle, so you can just instantly see. And basically the bundle coin is very simple. When the coin launch, the price go like this, and this, and this is, and when the dev sold, you think the price will go up here. So basically the dev sold, all the coin will get dumped and liquidated, and you will lose your money. So so you need to stay away from this type of things basically. So let me just check, the volume is low. We need to see a bit a good volume like this one. This one is looking good, guys. So if it shows some reversal and manage to get this one is going to downtrend, so we don't trade it. It already get to the point. So right now the market is not going well. Basically the season is now the cold, and that's why. In the other thing is important, I trade on the USA section. uh, I trade on the USA time zone or Europe time zone. I don't trade on the Asian time frame. Basically, in Asian, we have Indians or Singaporean that just make the meme coin and then launch into the pump.fund, and they try to rug it, and the investor lose their money. So that's why just the sessions are the most important thing. So make sure you got the USA time and EU time, so you will not lose your money. So next thing is the migrated section. So I'm using the CA and the pump protocol and the 35 and 15% bundle and 40 pro traders, and at the moment it's 80,000 market 800,000 80,000 market cap. So yeah, let's see this coin as well. It's looking good. So maybe we can take an entry. So right now it go up to 143k, and let me just take. So yeah, it's going good. So let's see in the 15-second time frame we can just find. So right now it's going in the 85.6k. So why I use 85.6k level? So the thing is that like in 85.5k I see, or the money traders see, the reversal can happen. For example, let me just demonstrate you. For example, the coin was 80k market cap and go up to 108k or something like that. So the candle was that and just migrated or something like that. So there are many buyers in the market. So that's why they just sell their tokens here, and the coin just go into the cool down phase. And if the coin is bad, they just instantly dump. If the coin or the utility is good, the investor buy back here at the 80k market cap. So the price can go up here. So this is the thing that you need to see, when you just trading in the meme coin. Right now it's on the 100k, and I think it's a good potential coin, and the wick is closing 1.144k level. So let me just check the volume as well. So yeah, so let me just check the volume as well. So 13k volume, and 24 hours 1.6 million. So I think it's a good buy there, and that tip was very good. So you just instantly make 2x or 1x your money. So yeah, so this is your tracker features. This is your Twitter tracker, and this is your wallet tracker. You can just use some wallets. I am using to track multiples of wallets, which is the insiders one. So you can just get the insider wallets on my videos description, on my videos section. So you can use it as there, and I'm dropping these all wallets on my video description on this video as well. So you can get and copy and paste it on the bulk import the wallet, so you can just paste it there, and you can get my wallets as well. So this is the future trading. I don't usually trade features. I just make money and hold the coins basically. But for the fun section, for the gambling purposes, I just use meme coin to trade. So basically, if you are low on capital, just stay away from the meme coin. It's very dangerous. And yeah, so you just need to buy the coin and hold it. Otherwise, you will lose so much money and you will blame me. I don't want anyone to lose the money as well. So make sure you try it on your own. If you want to risk $10-20, you can just risk it. Like for example, if you have low capital, you can take high risk and high reward. So that's why always use some low capital. So do not put your saving or something like that on these type of shit coin. So make sure you use your side income or something like that. So yeah, this is your yield section, and simple thing, you can view your portfolio rewards and something like that. So yeah, if you like this video, make sure you guys like and subscribe and follow me for more. And this is the whole Axiom Pro guide, and I think you got my points very clear. And this is your Twitter tracker. You can just add multiple users, and if you go to the tracker option, you can just customize feed and follow them, and you can add handles as well here. And yeah, so right now I'm going to show you one more bonus tip, which is the text screener. So text screener, let me show you how to find a good narrative on the text screener, and you can use on Axiom Pro to trade it on Axiom Pro and make money. So So basically, let me load the extension, which is the X alpha. Just use the X alpha extension. So you can just view the coin and the narratives as well. For example, let me just see. You can see the safe fund, the volume. I'm going to use the filters as well. Like for example, I want the coin must be like the 15,000 liquidity and 80,000 market cap and 100,000 FTV. The pairage must be 25 minutes, and yeah, let's see the coin and if we find the coin. So yeah, and I want to use one more filter as well. So this we use Solana, and this one we use Pump.fun and PumpSwap. Why this one, the PumpSwap, I'm going to show you as well. I am using the the PumpSwap. Basically it's the new one, and you can get zero migration fees down from 1/6 sol, more liquidity, and there is no migration fees, creator revenue sharing coming soon, and instant migration. So basically you will get instant money and there will be no rug pull. I really like these ideas on the Pump.fun as well, so everyone can make the money. So yeah, I just always use this one and start this thing. So when you just click on the apply, you can find the very good coin here, like the DVD as well. For example, if I click on the DVD, I just paste the address on Axiom and just paste the contract address here, so you can find the coin. So yeah, this one. So this is the coin, and you can just buy it here, and it's showing the long-term trend. So yeah, this is for the video. Make sure you guys like and follow me for more, and this is the whole information. And if you use my link, you can get a bonus up to 30% off on your fees. And make sure you guys show some love and do some trading, and you can just when you just use my link, you will get into my clan as well. So yeah, you can see my trades and something like that in upcoming feature of the Axiom Pro. And yeah, it's the safe side and legit one. So yeah, stay tuned for more. Thank you.